Okay. This one here?
Yeah, we did look at this one already. This one is the nedweed, good for headache.
Okay.
As I did said. Yeah, just boil it and drink it whenever time you have it. And this one here, you know this one here, any time you see this again, it's for, you know, it bears some red flowers. I just cut it that you might know it when you see it whenever time again. This one called the night stage. Poison.
Nice.
Oh, this is it. This is the poison. Is it this?
No, this one is full bone.
Oh, yes, full bone.
This one is full bone.
Night stage.
But this one is poisonous.
Yeah, this one is poisonous.
It bloom.
But people say it can drink still. But when the goats start to eat it,
you can drink it.
Yeah. But at this stage, where the seeds are and nothing is not tampering around it, you'll have to leave it alone because it's poison. If you broke it, it send out some white milk.
Okay.
Yeah. But through this broke a day ago, it dry out, yeah? Everyone see the milk. You have some milk in it. Yes.
All right. Careful that one.
Yeah, this one is out of it.
Toss that one.
This one is full bone. This one also good. It alone can boil for pull muscle as well, this one.
Okay, full bone.
Yeah, full bone, this one. This one is quack bush where them say we kill rabbit if rabbit eat it. But it is a very good thing. This one good for rash. You have rash on the skin, you can use this and bathe. Use the bush of it. Also the whisk. And bathe your skin with.
You can rub it up too.
And this is the bohema grass. People say it's just natural grass.
It is a herb.
But it's a very powerful bush. I remember one time when I was weak out, I boiled this bush and drink it. Yeah, and about a week after, I come right back on my foot. Very healthy and strong, this bohema grass here.
Okay.
I just boil it alone. And it's good to add to your roots bush too. Whenever time you're boiling roots, it's very good. And it's have a nice taste. Yes, it's good. This one known as the basida. Basida bush, this is for healing, you know. This basida bush here. Whenever time you get a cut, you see the bigger part of it, you can just strip his skin so, and scrape out inside. And a brown substance come out. I just put little healing oil or so, little olive oil on it and put it over the cut and it heal on the cut. Anytime it drop off, the cut will heal up. Anytime it drop off, the substance.
Okay, so this, you extract it by scraping the skin.
Yeah, scraping the skin.
Apply it to the cut.
Yeah.
And when the substance fall from the cut,
it's
the cut is healed as well.
Yeah, but it's gonna hard together and time you put it on. And the bush of it also good to boil for healing too.
Okay.
And you can take the bark of it and make dye.
Yeah.
For the floor.
Basida.
Basida.
Yeah.
For basida.
Yeah. This one is black giant. Good for colic and burning at the stomach. This one here, black giant. This is very good for colic. Whenever time you have colic, you can boil it.
Yes, you bring this now, and you get the jack in the bush and the dry banana leaf, and you boil these three together.
What's the name again?
Jack.
This is jackini.
This is jack. No, this is black giant.
Yeah, black giant.
And you have the jackini.
Yeah, jackini is around here, man. See it up there, take care, bring a piece of it. Yes.
Jackini. Here it is.
Yeah, man, see it there, man.
This is it. Jackini. This is the right one too.
Yeah.
Jackini.
Finally.
So you put this and this together, but you have to boil three. And you
and the black giant.
Tear the banana trash.
And like the banana.
The banana leave the green one when it dry, you tear it off. And you boil banana, leaf, tray up this together. And look here how the colic bad. Right, look here how the colic bad. It pull it.
Okay.
Now describe colic for the people.
Colic is something that when you eat something that don't go with your stomach. And it go in the system now. And it don't pass out. So it stay there now and build a sour. It gets sour. So it's called colic.
Sometimes you eat too late at night, you get sourness.
Sourness, you call it colic.
And you eat too late.
You get up a morning time now and you knock it on your head, go boom, 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 boom. You have
kind of puff inside. Puff.
Okay.
So you have colic.
A lot of Americans, I think, have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this bush good for it.
What's the name of this again?
Black giant along with jackini along with the banana trash.
Let's try that again. Black giant.
Black giant with the jackini. Fine leaf jackini along with the banana trash. Yeah.
Just get your stomach flat.
Yes.
And
boil
clean
it.
you up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
boil it and drink it for cali.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Puffy or otherwise puffy stomach.
Puffy
Yeah,
stomach. Right. When you belch, it just stink. When you belch it up, it stink.
Okay, when you belch, it
Yes,
smells
the
really
stomach,
bad.
when you belch the stomach, that puffy, it stink. So this pass out everything.
Okay.
This one is a junk of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one good for coal in the back of your eye and coal in your head. If you drink this bush alone, you can feel it penetrating all through your head and around the back of your eye.
It's good for what?
It's good for coal in the back of your eye, and it's very good to drink.
So it's great for all people.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I tried it already. I never really know say it works a lot. So it's a brother tell me about it and I boil it. Because I feel my eyes, them these hurt me. When I boil it, man, I feel it working in my eyes, in the back of my eye. Come
What's
right
What's the
down.
name of it again?
Junk sugar.
Dranko sugar.
Yeah. It be some little berry on it.
Very sweet.
Yeah.
You see it
Some
there?
little green and
Oh, I know
see
this.
when them ripe, them turn blue. Then turn the color blue. And them ripe.
So you said this is good for
Yeah,
you.
this is junk sugar and it is good for boiling for tea. Almost like the color mint, the honey mint.
So
If you
even
look
though
at
all of these herbs are for a specific reason, sometime if you just have a little tea now and then,
Yeah.
it prevents.
Yeah.
These are also preventive medicine.
True.
Okay. All right, let's go with this one here.
Go on up now.
Mm-hmm.
Go on up now. This one is a search me heart. This one is a heart bush, man. Search me heart. Whenever time your heart is paining you or hurting you, you can boil this. This bush here, search me heart. And it's very good tea bush. Yeah. Whenever time, if a person sick with it, them heart, you can boil some of this bush.
Sick as meaning
Heart problem, like, sometimes your heart,
a lot of it pains you.
yeah.
Okay.
This one is good, right? This is search me heart, yeah.
So you just boil as a tea.
Yeah, you just boil it. You can just boil it for tea.
What if you don't have a
And
problem?
it
but
can
you
smoke.
You can smoke it too.
Yes.
If you even don't have a problem, and you feel like boil, you can boil it and drink for your tea.
And it fix you up.
Yeah, it set you up same way.
Wow.
Prevent the heart from sick.
So important weed, search my heart.
This one is very good, man. This search me heart bush here.
It smells. You guys smell that?
For most morning, we boil it for tea.
Smells good, nice and fresh. Let me give you another smell that.
This one tastes good, man.
You smell that, people out there? Okay. It's very nice and fresh.
Man, it smells.
Nice and fresh. Oh,
You know, but most time people pain in my heart, I just boil some it, you know.
okay.
Just pick some it and boil.
Search my
And it
heart.
easy pain. This one is the original Sarsaparilla.
Okay.
Yeah, Jamaican Sarsaparilla. Most people know enough this one. This one good to boil in roots and you can boil it for your tea. This one good for arthritis too. Yeah, and pressure also. People love this. I believe they
You
even
don't boil
boil.
roots without it.
Yeah.
You don't boil roots without it.
If a man go boil roots here and then don't get sarsaparilla and the briar, the roots of his seeds to tell. The sarsaparilla and the briar is the most main thing.
And this.
That is the briar. That tough thing there. The most main thing. Yeah, to put in the roots.
Okay. Oh, this looks like yam leaf.
You see?
No, it's the leaf of the sarsaparilla, this one. So I just bring the leaf that you can see the leaf of it, say, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, but this can also boil tea, the leaf of it.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a leaf from the sarsaparilla. So this sarsaparilla, for stamina as young man, as you know, young man looking stamina. This sarsaparilla and training with, as you know,
Okay.
sarsaparilla, training with, and the strong back over there. Yeah, them three together here is a very good stamina.
Donkey weed.
Boil.
All right. Makes me want to move to Jamaica permanently.
Well, this one known as the Tanpan Rock. This one here,
This
Jackie
one?
Saddle. Yeah,
Jackie Saka.
yeah. This one known as Tanpan Rock.
Yes.
Yeah,
Tanfan Rock.
yeah. This one here. This is always grow on a rock. On a rock it grow. You don't grow in no dirt. Always on a rock you find this one. Known as the Jackie Saddle. This one is good for ulcer. Ulcer stomach in here.
Don't knock the mic. Go ahead, try again.
Yeah, this one is good for ulcer
Don't
stomach.
knock it. Don't knock
Right?
it. Try again. This one is good?
This one is good for ulcer. as you feel in here. You can just boil this and drink it. It is very harsh. You can boil a lot of it. If you're gonna boil, you'll have to boil just 3 of the little leaf or 1 of the big leaf. It is very harsh. Yeah, when you boil. If you boil too much of it, it's very harsh, so you're gonna can't drink it. Or if you drink. So you just boil a little of it.
Repeat the name again.
Yes, this is stand pan rock known as Jackie Saddle.
Jackie saddle,
Yeah.
good for also stomach.
Yeah, alright.
Minimize the amount of leaf you boil too.
Yeah, you can boil 2 leaves or otherwise 1 of the big leaf. It is very harsh when it boils.
Okay.
You see?
Here we go. It's Randy again for SaveJamaica.com. I'm here with the bush doctors.
From the black
Picking
mint.
up from the stand pan rock to the black mint though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
This is a very good.
So let's review for a second. I know the stand pan rock, you just
Known as Jackie Saddle.
Jackie saddle.
Yeah.
All you have to do is to prepare a little bit of these
Yeah.
for your also stomach.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And the black mint, now that you was talking about, this is a very good thing for digestion. If your stomach upset, or you feel a little pain and you go out and you just draw for the black mint, get a cup of hot boiling water, put it in it, mix it lightly with sugar, and then you're drinking and that upset's gone.
Is the black mint?
Yes, it's a black
Does
mint.
it grow a lot around here?
No, not a lot. And this is a very special thing, and this is a very comical thing. If you have a bed of this, I don't know if you know that. If you have a bed of this, it's not everybody you can send and cut it.
You did, huh?
And you're not to cut it neither, pick it, you have to cut it with a knife. If you send certain people to this mint bed, and they cut it, by tomorrow it dried up.
So you have to
It's
treat
very
it specially.
comical. Yes, it's very comical.
Okay. So you're gonna have to boil some for me before I leave.
Yes, this black mint, I have it over there beside the
Okay.
tank.
Great.
This now. This is what?
This one is the Jasmine. Yes.
Yeah, good.
The what?
Jasmine. This one called the Jasmine.
Just me.
Yes, I chipped this off of the tree. I did bring a leaf of it, but I don't know where.
Must be.
Leaf of it supposed to be there. That's you can see how the leaf of it's here. It did in the bag, but I don't.
And what is it good
This
for?
one good for wash out. Yes, and if you feel a belly hurting you or pain in you, I feel like you want to wash out. You can just boil some of this chip here. Yeah, and after you boil it, you just dip little salt and a drink a rum in it. Yes, and by the time you drink it, you feel your belly start cut you all about, and you want to go to the bathroom also.
But,
Yeah, this is just me. You know?
but don't is this one them say if you want to throw up, when you chip it, you bring it up. But if you want it to go down, you bring it down.
Chip it down.
Chip it down.
Yeah.
But if you want to vomit, when you chip it, you bring it up. But if you want it to operate you downward, you bring it down. This is it. Yes.
Yes.
This,
Alright.
it take out the root out of anything out of it.
It's very bitter too, anytime it boils.
You know, consecution. If you know how consecution, you can't drink it. You have to be
Alright.
strong to drink it.
Strong to drink that. What's this one? here?
This one is the big leaf watergrass, as I would mention. You see how it leaves them, see, you know?
Okay, this is the great for stamina.
Yeah, and this one good for weak back. A man that have weak back, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one can boil along with the Treniwis and the Sarsaparilla.
If my brother is watching this, I'm gonna have to bring some for him.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
So this one is good for a weak back, man. It's very simple when it boils. And this is very simple when it boils. They give us simple substance.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is for a weak back. And it can boil along with Treniwis and the Brial.
Okay.
Yeah. And the Sarsaparilla.
And the thing about this now, if you don't sensible and you go in the bush, you can't find it. Because it don't go in the earth. It don't go on level land. It go in stone.
Mostly in
What they
hills.
say,
What's the name again?
Brial.
Brian.
And this is not a tree. This, they say this grow by a bird, a bug.
A bug.
It's a bug that farm this in the earth.
Some little brown bug.
Some little
them
brown
say.
bug.
Yeah.
And after they go down in the earth, then that thing go down. They stay there until they decay.
It looks
It's
like
bug.
a tree.
Yes, it look like you see the bug, see the mark on
The
it.
underground it be a vine it feel a mollies I am. It grow vine like mollies.
Right, it is broader than this.
Yeah.
If you go in it, so it look like this, but it's a bug. It's bug bring this, produce this.